Hello everybody, this is teacher Ricardo and welcome to your virtual class. And this video is going to be made for June 17th, I think it's Wednesday, yes, and for first grade. Okay, now let's go to the activity that we're going to be doing on Wednesday. As you can see here, we have exercises about be going to. This is the tense that we are being working on. And it says right here, complete the sentences with the correct form of be going to. And remember that be going to is for future, to express future, and only for the things that we have already arranged. Okay, like a school schedule. Now let's take a look at the first one. Number one, it says the dog is dirty. We are going to wash him. As you can see here, they are giving us the verb that we're going to be using, and we have to use them or write it the proper way. And going to, don't forget to use the correct form of the verb to be. In this case, because we're talking about we, plural form, we have to use are. Now, number two, it says I. We have to use the verb visit, and then it says my grandparents on Saturday. Okay. Now, what is the correct form of be for the first person? I, it's am. Okay, I'm going to grab my pencil here and I'm going to use black color. Therefore, I have to use am. Okay, I am, and then going to visit my grandparents on Saturday. And remember, they have this person has already planned this activity, visiting. Number three, we, and then we have the verb eat. And what is the correct form of the verb to be for we? Are. We are, and then going to. Okay, going to eat. Okay, and for number two is going to be visit. We have to write it down. Okay, and then the next one, it says number four, Paul, and then we're going to use the verb be, basketball later. Okay, and for Paul, the correct form of the verb to be is. Paul is, and then going to play. Is going to play basketball later. Okay, this is another keyword, later. And then we're going to a restaurant tonight. This is another keyword. It means that this activity is going to be happening later on the day, or in this case, Saturday. Let's say that if today it's Friday, the activity is going to be held on Saturday. Okay, the next one right here, number five. When, blank space, then you, blank space, study for the test. Okay, now in this case, we have to go like this. I'm going to change color for this activity. When, because the subject is you, we have to use are. When are you, and then going to study. When are you going to study for the test? Okay, see, in the case of a question, we have to switch places with the subject. Now, in the first place, it's verb to be, and in the second place, it's the subject. We just have to switch them, okay? So now let me erase this information right here. Now, what will be the answer for the next one? Oh, I erased the form of P. Sorry about my dog. My mom, because I'm talking about my mom, singular person, my mom is not working, or is not going to work, is not going to work. See? After the form of be, we have to add not. Or we can use the contraction. In this case, it would be isn't, like this. And then for number 7, it's the same thing as this one right here, number 5. It says what, and then you do this afternoon. Pardon. What, I'm sorry. What are you going to do? What are you going to do this afternoon? This is the key word. Esta tarde, this afternoon. It means that the activity is going to be happening later. Okay, if you don't have any questions, I'm going to put you a smiley face right here, and let's continue. Now I'm going to erase everything here. Join. Okay. Now the next activity, write sentences with the words below. Use be going to. As you can see, we have these words scrambled. Now we have to make them or put them in the correct order. And now I'm going to use a different color. Which color do you prefer? Green. Okay. I am going to wear these shoes to the party. Now in this case, we can make a formula. First, the subject, and then what's next? Form of the verb to be, and then going to, going to, and then the verb, and then everything else we can call it complement. Okay. Now I'm going to use another color to separate this information right here. Okay, so now we have the structure, so it's going to be easy. What is the subject of the next exercise? He. And then for he, what is the correct form of be? Is. And then what's next? Going to. Going to. And then after going to, what do we have to use? The verb. Make. This is the verb. And then the complement, pizza tomorrow. Tomorrow. He's going to make pizza tomorrow. See, it's really easy. Now the next one right here, my brothers, not watch TV tonight. So this is a negative expression. So what do I have to use first? The subject, my brothers, like this, my brothers, and as you can see, this is a plural form. Therefore, I have to use are. My brothers are, and then the negative form. Let's place it in the negative. The negative form. Let's make it a contraction. Aren't. My brothers aren't going to watch, because this is the verb right here. TV tonight. Okay, therefore we have my brothers aren't going to watch TV tonight. Okay, or you can do it in separate. My brothers are not going to watch TV tonight. Which one you prefer? Number 4, you study for your test this evening. So what do we have to go, or what do we have to use first? The subject, and then the subject is going to be you. Oh, that's an ugly you handwriting. Okay, you. For you, what is the correct form of be? Are. You are, and then going to. Going to, like that. Study. You're going to study for your test. Your test this evening. I'm writing it too fast and it's really ugly. Okay. Evening. Evening. Okay. See, it's really easy. Okay. If you have any questions, please don't forget to ask and during virtual class. Now the next one right here, look at the pictures of Tom's plans for next week and complete the sentences below. Use the present continuous and the words in the box. Now on Mondays, he's going to play tennis. On Tuesday, he is having a, what is it, breakfast, dinner, lunch? Okay, the next one, Wednesday. What is he going to do on Wednesday? He is going to write a letter. He is going to study. No, actually, he's going to write a letter because on Thursday, it looks like he's going to be studying or read a book at the library. On Friday, he's going to do nothing. He's going to go to the park, sit on a bench. Now, on Saturday, what is he going to do on Saturday? Go to the cinema. And on Sunday, what do you think is this guy doing on Sunday? Let me see over here. Help his grandma. Right here we have the sentences. So on Monday, Tom is playing tennis. Is playing tennis on Monday. Now on Tuesday, what is he doing on Tuesday? Let me go back up here a little bit. Yeah, on Tuesday, what is he going to do on Tuesday? On Tuesday, he is he's going to invite a friend for lunch. See? On Tuesday, he is going to invite a friend for lunch. He's going to invite a friend for lunch. Is that correct? It's going to. Okay, that's correct. So what is he going to do on Wednesday? On Wednesday, he's going to, let me go like this, invite a friend. This is already done. This one is already done. Homework. Yes, homework. So the answer is going to be like this. He is going to do homework. Yep. And then on Thursday, he's going to the library, do his homework, go to the library. So this is going to be like this. On Thursday, he is going to go to the library. Yep. And as you can see here, we have two eyes. Go. This is because this is part of the tense that we are working on. And this one right here is the verb that we have to use because it is right here. Okay, so this one is done also. On Friday, what is he going to do on Friday? He's going to go to the park. Therefore, I have to go like this. He is park. He's going to go to the park. Next. Oh, sorry. Yes. Okay, the last one is Saturday. Oh, no, I'm making a mess here. On Saturday, what is Saturday? He's going to go to the cinema. He is going to go to the cinema. See? Really easy. So now we have finished this one and go to the park. It's already completed. See a film. Oh, instead of going to the cinema, I have to write see a film. He's going to see a film. Okay, so I have to change go for see. Okay, and also cinema. Cinema. I mean film. He's going to see a film. So let me scratch this. A film. Like that. Okay. Anyhow, anyway, it's going to be correct. Okay, now let me erase everything here and let's move to the last day. On Sunday, what is he doing on Sunday? He's going to help his grandma. Okay. Now let me write it right here. On Sunday, he is going to help his grandma. Grandma. I'm practicing this kind of handwriting. Haha. Okay. So now I'm going to erase everything again. Okay. Do you have any questions so far? No? It's pretty easy. So this is what we're going to be doing in next class, practicing have to and be going to. Okay. So be ready for the next class. You have to do a few activities with me. So I'm going to stop the video right now, guys. See you next Wednesday. Take care, stay safe, and bye-bye.